What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's recipe video, I've decided to prepare the Malabar chicken curry. This fiery chicken curry from the Malabar coast is a great addition to your family recipes. First up, you will need to chop in your tomato. Take about one large ripe tomato and roughly chop it. Next, you'll need about 4 medium-sized onions and then finely chop that. After which you can slit your green chilies, and then it's time to move on to the chicken preparation. You will also need ginger garlic paste for the recipe, so make sure you prep that ahead. Heat a wok, add vegetable oil onto that. Let it heat for a while and then add your whole garam masala, followed by the black peppercorn. Now it's time to add in the onions. Saute it till it turns translucent, after which you'll add in your ginger garlic paste. Cook that till the raw smell of ginger goes away, after which you can drop in your tomatoes and add a little bit of salt to it so that it softens faster. Once your tomatoes are wilted, now it's time to add in your chicken. I always like to marinate the chicken in brine, that way I don't have to add a lot of salt while cooking. Once you coat your chicken well, add all your masala. Start with the turmeric powder, then cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and the star ingredient, which is fennel seed powder. Coat all of your chicken really well and then add some curry leaves. Cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes in low flame. Make sure you cook any meat in low flame, that way the meat stays really tender. Once it's done cooking for about 20 to 25 minutes, now it's time to add in our jaggery. This gives a little bit of sweetness to the fiery curry and it is completely optional. You can skip this step. After which we'll drop in the coconut milk. This also helps in toning down the heat a little. Now we'll drop in the slit green chilies, give it a nice stir, and then make sure you don't drop your wok like I almost did. Now add in your garam masala, coat it again really well, drop in some more curry leaves, and then again we'll cook it. Add some black pepper powder, and now we'll cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes in really low flame. So what happens is you do not want the coconut milk to completely evaporate. At the same time, you would want its overpowering smell to go away. After which you can serve your Malabar chicken curry with neer dosa or set dosa or rice. We personally love to have it with rice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do make sure that you smash on the like button and tap on the bell button to be notified each time I post a video. And let me know in the comments down below the next recipe you would want me to try. Goodbye.